So, after nearly 2 days travel, I think about 40 hours of flights all the way from London, we made it to Indonesia. We were in Jakarta yesterday and we got an internal flight to Yogyakarta, not sure what's the best way to pronounce it. We're going to be visiting Borobudur temple, which is right up there. Let me tell you a bit about this temple. This is the largest Buddhist temple in the world. It's the 9th century. It's got 504 Buddha statues. It's 35 meters high and it's got 55,000 metro cubic of andesite stones. In 1991 it was listed as UNESCO World Heritage Site. When you enter here, you get given these free sandals. As you can see, they look pretty cool. The reason why they give you sandals is so you don't ruin the temple with sort of like different kind of shoes. These ones here are more soft. They're meant to protect the flooring of the temple. That's what they say.
We know there is traditional in Indonesia, especially in Java Island.
So apparently this is all volcanic rock, I was told. That's why it's easy to carve. This is Prambanan temple. So I believe this is a Hindu temple. We're gonna go and explore around. Just want to go and have a look inside there first. Let's see. Quite steep steps. Let's have a look around. It's all dark up there. I want to investigate. Let's see. What's in here? Reason.